สถานีต่อไปสถานีบางซื่อ
Don Mueang Airport Station.
Good morning everyone, I hope you are all having a wonderful time. So lots of you know how to reach Suvarnabhumi Airport by public transportation or the airport link. But in today's vlog, I'm gonna share with you how to reach Don Mueang Airport also by taking the public transportation. So it will be a very informative vlog if you are willing to travel from Don Mueang Airport and what is the best way or the fast and cheapest way to reach this airport by using the public transportation. So the first thing we are going to do is to take the underground train, which is the MRT from Sukhumvit station. So the first thing is to take the MRT underground train from any station. We are taking now from Asok to Bangsu station, where you are going to exchange it or interchange it with the SRT Red Line, which takes you to Don Mueang Airport. So that's the first thing you have to do, to find any nearest MRT station to you, the underground station, and after that go directly to Bangsu station, where you can exchange it with the SRT line, which is the red line that takes you to Don Mueang Airport. Now see you at Bangsu station.
สถานีต่อไปสถานีบางซื่อท่านสามารถเปลี่ยนเส้นทางไปรถไฟรมทได้ที่สถานีนี้ Next station บางซื่อ Passengers can connect to the SRT railway at this station.
So here we are guys, this is Bangsu station, which interchange with the SRT Red Line, which is the dark red line, and that will take us to the airport, Don Mueang Airport. So once you arrive to Bangsu station, you have to follow the signs. It's so easy to access this SRT line. After that, you can access to the counter and buy your token to the airport. Well, here we are at Bangsu station, and from here I'm going to take the SRT line, the red line, to Don Mueang Airport. Sawadee Krap, Don Mueang Airport.
Don Mueang Airport Station. This is the new train, which is the SRT Red Line.
As you can see, it's new and all the chairs are red, and they have big windows where you can catch breathtaking views while you are going to the airport. So here we are at the airport, and from this level, which is the public transportation, you can access the departures or the arrivals. And this is the map. At the 4th floor you have the restaurants, at the 3rd floor you have the domestic departures and the meeting floor, and the 1st floor, which is the domestic arrivals and public transportation. Well, now we are at Don Mueang Airport, and as you saw, it's so easy to reach here nowadays by the public transportation, which is the SRT, the Red Line. Well, if you are wondering how much it cost, the MRT from Asok to Bangkok, it costed only 40 baht, and the airport link, which is the SRT line, costed 33 baht to Don Mueang Airport. So in total, it's only 73 baht to reach from downtown Bangkok to Don Mueang Airport, and the time was around 20 minutes. So it's only 73 baht to reach from downtown Bangkok to Mueang Bangkok Airport. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more from Live Love Thailand.